as crap, dude.
Yeah, I'm getting there. Alright, where are we going?
You have options, sir. You have Bird City.
Bird City!
I think I figured out where you want to go.
I don't care. You pick a spot.
We can go to Bird City. Just let me repair my snap hook.
A snap hook. Ooh.
Well, yeah, if we're going to Bird City, yeah.
We're snap hooking? Alright, I'll bring it. Alright.
It's Bird City.
Stop.
Why would we not bring a snap hook to Bird City?
Seems like a lot of yelling over there.
Where?
Over there, where you are. Yelling at me.
What do you mean?
So angry.
You're so dumb. What are you talking about? Nobody's yelling. It's because you're sick. It probably sounds loud because you're ill.
I hear the tone in your voice, and it is angry.
You're so dumb.
Bird City! Let's go.
Okay. You're like, I hear the tone in your voice and it is angry. And it's like, what are you talking about, buddy? Alright, let's see. I got my snap hook and I got some grenades.
How many different kinds of birds?
What is it?
Birds out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the original? 7?
I think there's 6 new ducks, and then the original makes 7.
Alright. So I got them all.
Yes, but the more you collect, the bigger, sorry, not the bigger, the better your room looks.
My room looks... There's only 2 different kinds that are up on the shelves. I don't really get it.
There should be. So, the more birds...
There's 3rd.
The more ducks you collect, the more birds appear in your room.
Alright.
Let me see.
I should bring different guns. Yeah, it's okay.
Well, here. Bring different guns. Go ahead.
Well, first
we still got 50 minutes, yeah.
Fighting Rocketeers, possibly.
I brought 1 wolf pack for that. And then I brought 10 secret grenades. Trying to get Rocketeer drivers today was like next to God. I killed 1 and then a guy ran up and he took my Rocketeer drive and he ran away. I was heavy disappointed.
Yeah, it's a little rude.
Oh, he was too. He didn't talk the whole time. I asked him if he was taking my drive and he left. I was so annoyed. Ready. You ready? Then just... I almost said just ready up, but then you're waiting on me.
I'm gonna get a box and put it on.
Sir, you could not be that bored.
Maybe someone else playing with was entertaining.
Wowzers! Ooh. You wanted to play with me, remember that. You wanted to play with me. You just remember that.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta go get some aloe for that burn.
I'm gonna send you a picture of my dinner now. Did you go
what do you have for dinner?
Mississippi pot roast and green beans.
I don't even know what the hell that is.
Watch the language, sir.
You don't even live in Mississippi.
Mississippi pot roast is made with, I'll just send you a picture of it here.
Is it made with love? Oh, we're on the other side of the docks. What the hell?
There. It's got like banana peppers in it, or pepperoncinis.
Interesting.
It's got a lot of butter. It's got ranch seasoning. It's got beefy onion and mushroom. It's like a soup mix powder, but I don't put enough water in it, so it makes it all thick. It's pretty good.
I joined the party.
I thought you had already done Leia. Honestly, though, this isn't bad. Usually it takes me longer to load into games.
Hey, Apollo here. Listen, don't forget to head to the library.
So there's...
I've been dying to read that detective novel. I've read the previous one 8 times now, and the butler did it every time.
There's what?
There's chimneys on this roof.
Chimneys?
Mhm.
What the fuck is going on?
Language. Mayfield. I'm gonna have to use a program to cut out your cursing. I just played with a buddy of mine. It couldn't even cut out. Couldn't even cut out all the cursing. Couldn't even cut it all out. I was mistaken.
Last night.
I think there's something big walking down there.
That sounds
Heavily suspicious.
like a big old space Jesus.
Where?
On my ping that says Rocketeer. It's probably the best spot to look.
God, I hope you trip somewhere. You passed this chimney, dude.
Leaving it for you. Not this one doesn't have one.
Neither did that one. It just had seeds in it. What is
Duke? I got a Duke. Ooh, and a gun case.
it? Ooh.
Ooh, anvil. Score.
I'm proud of you.
At least someone is. My mom never said that to me.
Dude. Did your mom really never say that?
I don't know. Probably not.
Yeah, okay. Maybe don't. Your mom's gonna be calling you going, what did you say? That I was never proud of you?
Oh.
Really? Oh shit, dude. Aw, someone's attacking that down there.
Space Jesus seems mad over there.
That's fine. They're gonna kill Space Jesus. No big deal.
Well, it's fine because it ain't us.
Yeah, exactly. If it ain't us, it's fine.
Oh, they killed it.
I'm fine with that.
Another duck. Score.
That's gross.
Another duck.
I've just got a mouth of like semi-warm butter.
Delicious. Whoa. What the fuck is...
What is happening? Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can shot it.
can't. I think so. But if they are shooting at me, like, they're a bad aim. Like, does that make sense? Like, I was standing right there on the top. They didn't hit me. Like, they hit near me, but didn't hit me.
You could have been also shooting something over there, and it's just... You were in the backdrop.
That's fine. Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh, I got a firefly, and it sees me.
Hold on, I got you. I got you.
How about I get myself? Alright. Did you seriously throw... What did you throw at that?
Hey, it's a seeker grenade.
Alright.
Did you think I threw a wolf pack at that thing?
I don't know, you have your
That's
moments.
a waste of a wolf pack. Saving you? Whew.
Alright. That seemed a little harsh.
I'm joking. You're not a waste, little buddy. Please tell me you're okay.
I
Oh, there's people dying over here. Well, not dying,
am
but
hurt.
attacking. Are you really?
I am hurt deeply.
I found a volcanic rock.
Where's there a volcano around?
You could throw those at people. When I do my drunk style Montes runs, I use them. Sorry! I was trying to help! Are you okay?
Yeah, they jacked me up a little.
Do you need any heals? Hold on, I'm coming.
I'm good.
Oh shoot, I'm not coming. Hold on.
I brought all kinds of stuff in.
Okay, sorry. I saw them attacking, but I couldn't tell if, like, you wanted to kill it or not.
No, I was kind of hoping the bombardier would be over here, but apparently not.
Oh no, it was over there. You know where the hospital was?
Yeah.
It was over there, and some guy killed it really quick. I think he threw too many wolf packs, honestly.
Yeah.
It's just a lot of exploding. You guys looking for anything in particular?
Nope, we are just here to kill shit.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, you're snap bucking around. Good luck.
Oh, sorry. I do it for the ducks.
I feel that. Alright, let's kill some shit.
You all have fun. Be safe out there.
You too.
Oh my god, there's a firefly, Milford.
Where?
Where are you? No, these men are killing it. I was over here talking to these humans. Where are you?
Right here.
Whoa,
No.
Is he shooting at you?
No. He's my partner. He's dumb. Yeah. No. He's mine. He hit already. Yeah, if he wasn't mine, I would have hollered.
Alright. Oh, what you suck. Yeah, I suck.
Let's go.
I suck, huh? Yeah.
Come on, Lord of the Ark, bring us some, like, leapers or something. What's up?
You're killing me.
It's safe.
Let's see. So, like, the parking garage will spawn a bombardier. That middle valley between the parking garage and the Galleria spawns a bastion.
Yeah.
Mariano
Yep.
Park has leapers.
Let's see here. We don't got good visibility today, but
I was
looking
telling.
for
Did you
something
hear
big.
that?
No.
I was telling him about the thingy, and I think the guy said, "We know."
Pretty big.
Oh, bless you.
I was like, okay, like penis joke or mom joke? What should I go with? Ooh, I heard it. Leaper's upset.
Yeah, so is the firefly. You gotta try following that.
Hello. Are you okay? Hi.
Yeah, mentally or physically?
Uh,
Physically, I'm fine.
There's a lot of people. There's guys to my left and guys to my right. Hi.
Oh,
Does anybody
oh
need
shit.
any heals?
Oh shit.
Hold on.
I think he does.
Yeah, that's my guy. Hold on. Are you okay, Milkman?
Yeah. Might not be after this one shows up.
Yeah, that's like the 13th time I've gotten shot.
What is it?
Jesus Christ.
There we go. Hi. Do you guys need any heals or anything?
There's
You
a
good?
leaper over there.
Oh, there's a leaper? That's what those men want.
Oh, he is coming to kill you.
They want to kill something big.
I'm all for the leapers.
I'm coming.
They want to kill something big, Milk.
But I want to kill it.
Yeah, but they need it. That's what they've been looking for.
Hey.
You're gonna mess with these dads and their time to game. Oh god, they killed it quick. Need to focus. I'm trying to eat my dinner and play.
Alright, that seems to work.
Ooh, one of those thingies.
It's right
I
here.
hate those.
It's by your zip line down there. Oop, you did it!
Great shot.
They're not dead.
What is that? Hold on, there's something in here.
God dang it, somebody hits it every single time. Shoot that.
Alright, nobody shoot at this one. He's got it.
Yay, thank you.
This is hilarious.
Oh. We are making the world safe.
Hmm.
Oh, didn't want to do that.
What is happening over there?
I'm shooting stuff.
Are you shooting the stuff they want?
I'm not missing. That's for sure. Oh. I missed that one. Parkour. Parkour.
Yeah, I thought those guys needed help, but then they were like, "Why are people shooting at our stuff?" I was like, "Oh my bad, I didn't know."
It's not theirs.
The clinkers are all of ours.
This is a group project.
You're gonna start grading them.
Yep. What the? Alright, I'll get us some more ammo.
Why do we need ammo?
Yes, we do.
Who said we need more? What is that? Oh my god! That thing sucks. You're welcome. Saved your life.
I also shot it.
Saved your life.
No thanks. Please.
No problem. No problem. So what you got for dinner?
I don't know.
I know what you're gonna drink with it. A glass of milk.
Uh-huh.
You should be picking up some. Oh, is this you?
Yeah. Oh, I actually need more heavy ammo.
Well, okay.
Look at that.
I'm not gonna take it from you.
Trigger grenade.
Nice. Why am I not tall enough for these? Is that you?
Oh. Oh, people are dying over there.
Where? Oh, I see what you're talking about. Who's at the bombardier, you think?
I don't know
Freaking
what's
hell.
over there, but I'm gonna go look.
We're gonna go look. Let me look this last stuff. Yeah, we can go look. I think we've probably hit all the ducks, haven't we?
Oh my goodness.
What?
The anvil do be hitting.
I have a lemon.
Congrats. I'm happy for you.
I didn't know if you needed the lemon. Alright. Whatever. You are so condescending. I hope you don't need my saving.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
All right.
Oh, do you need my saving?
Oh my. There is. Where is this thing at? Oh, you're right there.
Be careful. I can hear a sentinel.
I know, it's what I'm shooting at. Oh. Somehow I'm missing this thing or what?
Could just be extra strong. That was pretty good.
First try. Damn.
Was it the first try? It was the dumbest thing I've done.
Oh, nailed it.
I don't know what that just hit, but that was not the goal. What is that?
That is a bombardier.
Did you
Shoot.
piss it off or someone else?
Somebody else got spotted by one of the.
Hopefully it's those guys who are looking for heat. Or is it smoke?
Oh, how does this thing in? I can't see it down there. Oh, I hear it though. That thing is up. We are a long ways away from them. Jeez, that are way over there.
An Ark orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing. You have 10 minutes to return Esperanza. I repeat, 10 minutes.
Oh shit. Don't come over here. Do not come over here. Run, Mayfield!
Good,
Run! I don't have any more.
Yeah.
So our way to get out is
Go to
right
that
there.
metro.
Uh-oh. I got a bunch of stuff on me. Oh, I missed that. heavy ammo shot.
We should probably leave.
That's a terrible idea. I think we stay.
There's a leaper over there fighting someone. Oh, someone's throwing wolf packs at it.
No, I'm off. This team. I start shooting at this bombardier. Oh, there's a Rocketeer right there.
Rocketeer, there.
Oh,
We got
it
this.
might see me. It might see me.
Yeah, just keep running.
Oh, Jesus.
What was that? Why is he above ground? I think there's more. Oh yeah, he's right here.
That one?
Yeah,
That's the one that you were talking about?
yeah. I said I
Oh,
think there's
nice.
more, and I ran right into
That's
it.
nice that you found it.
Yeah. I was taking
I feel
one
like
for the
there's a
team.
better way. I feel like there's a better way to find it than that. But
Right there, you see it?
jump shot.
Oh! Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right,
Oh,
watch out.
you're welcome. That was a really good shot, though.
Yeah, I don't have any more heavy ammo. Kind of broke.
It kind of broke, as in you just didn't bring enough, or we need stuff to sell.
Yeah, I just didn't think I had to save you that much, so I didn't bring enough.
Save me that much. We were split up. You were helping those men kill stuff you shouldn't have been. I hate you. Oh my gosh. Hey, at least everybody was chill.
Hiya! Mine.
Okay, you can have it. Oh no, someone attacked you.
All right, hold it. 12. Come